This is Pat Healey. I am at the Viking Yacht, New Gretna facility, and I'm standing on the new Valhalla 55 Sport Yacht. And wow, I've been traveling for the last 8-9 weeks. When I left, it was a hull, and I came back to this. Wow. And I'm gonna take you through and show you what we've accomplished. It is unbelievable what we've been able to do in such a short period of time. So I'm standing right now in the forward seating area that will have a circular seating area with a mounted pedestal on the deck and a table for this area. This will be a forward light for the master stateroom forward, escape hatch. This will be a sun pad, which will be huge, I mean big. And as we go, we have asymmetrical. We have a walk deck that will be going down the port side of the boat and down the starboard side, which are huge gunnels because the deck is so high, will be a line handling deck while you're at the dock. This will be where you go back and forth to come up here in the seating area, and we have a nice handrail all the way through the whole deck area. As we go back, you'll see this window, and this is your windshield, and it is basically a piece of curved glass to give you full exposure of what's on your horizon. Visibility is phenomenal. What we've done is a sliding door, side sliding door. Now we have not mounted, this is hooked up to the mechanism now. It works so easily. We're using a Beers mechanism as we do on our sliding doors on the convertible, and they were here today, just hooked it up. It works incredibly. This door opens and closes, stainless steel bulkhead. That'll go right back here. And now this window will drop down into this mechanism and open this whole back end of the boat when you're out. Another neat feature is sunroof. This is so awesome, and it's so well built and really well done. The greatest thing about the boats that we design is below the hatches and give you mechanical compartment, and this is fantastic. We have our Seakeeper SK9. We also have an ice chipper over on the starboard side, batteries all in its own fiberglass box, 24 volt, 12 volt electrical, battery charger, and then you come back into this area, generator. We have a fuel tank down below and also sea chest and filtration system. This U-shaped seating across the back is phenomenal. Excellent storage all the way around. Have a table. Also what is great, have yourself a dunnage storage, electrical, water will connect through on the outboard on the starboard side. Built into the aft overhang, a shore shade. You won't even see it. That fiberglass cover will come out with the shore shade and really look great when it's extended. The other great thing is this will be a 40-inch TV that'll hinge down. It'll have a little bit of a bump down. We'll be able to easily open it and hinge down so you can watch the games and watch those Philadelphia Eagles and Philadelphia Phillies. Let's go down below deck. Let me show you what we've done down here. It's fantastic. Electric panel right as you come down. That way you have your 12 volt right here, accessible, and then your 110. Everything will be absolutely easy to operate and within a touch if you're outside, and you can just slide your entrance door, slides underneath the helm area, and then you'll come down into our dinette area and our galley area. The interior is our Viking slate gray wood, and it's very well done, and we wanted to go with a very modern look. So this was a great customer of ours that really pushed us into this about 5 years ago, Bob Genord, and it is just perfect for this boat. We'll have all nice vinyl wood floor. We'll go forward right into the master and 2 hanging lockers, his and her hanging lockers, a built-in bunk, and with storage underneath. An area that I think for this size boat as pretty good as the head and the shower. It's going to be a nice stateroom for a 55-foot sport yacht. Also, we have two heads on this boat. The second one, full size, walk-in enclosed shower with a nice vanity, toilet on the shelf, and that will also serve the second stateroom. Greatest thing about this stateroom, you walk in and we have 7-foot height as you walk in the door, and we get this queen bed with end tables on both sides, and here I sit on the bench, and I'm 5'10", and I have plenty of room. Of course, there'll be plenty of storage. It's terrific. The 55 Sport Yacht will have fold-out balconies on both sides. By this time next week, they should be on and operational, which will be great for the sandbar when you're out. Anchor the boat and then pick up all this extra room to just make this back end to be an entertainment center for all your friends and family. 55 Sport Yacht is built on the same hull as the V55. What is neat, each boat is powered by quad 12V 600 horsepower. We'll see performance upwards into the 60-mile-an-hour plus range. Our team has done a terrific job. Extremely proud of those guys. They do it each and every time. They get better and better. They're the world's best boat builders. By mid-May, we'll be in the water and have sea trial reports for everybody at that time. And then we're going to have our VIP show in Atlantic City, and we'd love to see you there to sea trial this beast. It's going to be an awesome boat. Please come and see us. Come to the factory, see it between now and then. If not, we'll see you in Atlantic City.